financial statements, non-governmental, not-for-profit entities. And then within this, we have non-for-profit, statement of financial position, and then statement of activities. First, I want to start you off with a fun fact. Not super relevant for the exam, but something I get asked a lot. You have non-for-profit and not-for-profit. What's the difference? You don't need to know this for the exam, but something that I do get asked a lot, and I'm sure maybe it's gone through your mind at one point. Is there a difference with not or non? Well, non-for-profit entities, they actually have the goal of operating for a profit, whereas not-for-profit entities, they don't have the goal of operating for a profit. Doesn't matter for the exam. Figured it was a fun fact, and something some people do ask me, so I figured I'd address it here. Something that is relevant for the exam, however, statement of financial position. Let's think about what that means. Financial position. What is your financial position at a point in time? What does that sound like? To me, it sounds like the balance sheet. Statement of activities. What's your activity during a period? What does it sound like to you? To me, that sounds like the income statement. And that's exactly what they are. Obviously, there are differences. I know that. However, the closest statements that they represent are those respective statements. And generally, these statements, these sections, they go hand in hand with each other. We're going to see a lot of similarities between the sections. Not-for-profit is a great section to get a lot of free points on. It's heavily tested in the exam, and it's not mind-numbing, right? I'll call leases, I'll call bonds, I'll call lots of sections like those mind-numbing where you're just completely shot at the end by going through those questions. Here, maybe it's a lot of new concepts to understand, but once you get it and you practice it, you're not gonna really get a headache from going through these questions. I think you'll have a good time, right? I have a good time here. Lots of free points in the exam to earn here. Let's dive into it a little bit more and take a look at the material.